Good morning, all. This is Jack from Chartered Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Wednesday, the 13th of August. My disclaimer: it is for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take somewhat of it and learn from it, transfer it, share insights. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right. Okay. Now, I'm going to start off with something that isn't Bitcoin today, because Bitcoin actually, we're still looking for a retest of the high here at 123.2K, but this hasn't been where the excitement has been happening. Actually, I will do that first. So, looking at the daily chart, obviously we're testing the daily up band. On the hourly chart, obviously we had a bull flag that broke up here, and that's got a target at a retest of the high here at 123.2K, and we've almost made that target, but not quite. The real action, though, is happening everywhere else. Solana has had a major firelet under it the last couple of days. It's come up from 172 to slightly over 200. This is getting pretty close to a retest of 206.40. I don't have a lot of confidence in this trend line because, apart from anything else, we haven't gone down and tested the corresponding support trend line here, which would be here. But I am expecting to see a retest this high here at 206.40. Obviously, we've potentially got a second lab double top there, and we've got some possible resistance, so I'm watching there. And as we get up there, we're getting, of course, closer to where, well, obviously significantly above the daily upper band already. So I'm not seeing anything really on the bigger picture to suggest a reversal here. We certainly don't have any negative divergence on either the RSI 14 or the RSI 5, so I'm liking more upside into at least a high retest and probably higher. On the hourly chart, almost made that retest. Obviously, on the bigger picture, we've got an IHS which is broken up with a target in the 283 area, and I would love to see it start to make headway on making that. Now, we had a similar IHS on Ethereum, of course, and that made target a couple of days ago, and we have been towering upwards there. And I was noting on the weekly chart that the all-time high is at 48.65.94, and we're saying yesterday that that's now really looking like the next obvious target, and we've made most of the way to it since I did that video yesterday morning. It's not much the rest of the way. I think this is going to do it. I think this is going to do a new all-time high probably in the next couple of days. On the hourly chart, tiny bit of negative divergence here, no signal, but obviously we've gone through the obvious trendline resistance here. I'll be looking for larger patterns on the bigger picture. I'm not sure I'm going to get a great deal, actually. But short term, I'm really liking this move up. I'm thinking all-time high looks imminent, and I'm hoping, now Solana has finally joined the party, that we're going to see significant further upside on Solana as well. Really, ideally, I would like to see Solana make a new all-time high in coming weeks. And if we can make it up to this IHS target, no longer supported by Ethereum, because of course the Ethereum IHS has already made target. But if we can make it up to this IHS target, then at that stage, a retest of the all-time high would look like the obvious next target. We shall see how that goes. But really, it's been a very, very good couple of days in crypto. So long may that continue. And so I'm looking for retest of the all-time highs on Ethereum, and I'm looking for a retest of the all-time high on Bitcoin. And Solana, I'm looking for more progress. All right, great. In that case, I think it's a wrap. I'll catch everyone tomorrow morning. Everyone take care.